Today, I'll be guiding you on how to set up your accounts on CrushLive. Okay, so please bear with me if I am not using artificial light. I need the natural light because I don't like being on the system for too long without my glasses. The other light was reflecting, so I had to remove the glasses. But just bear with me. I'm sure you can see me. Okay. All right. So we are talking about CrushLive. Okay, so we want to set it up. This CrushLive and Life are the same way to set it up, the same way to upload and download the same thing. Okay, so as I said in our previous video, we have two ways of downloading these apps. We have, especially CrushLive, we have through download link, a link sent by a CrushLive user, okay, or a Play Store. Just go to your app Play Store. You can get the CrushLive. Okay, so now how do we set it? Okay, first of all, what is CrushLive? For those who are coming in, CrushLive is a social live streaming app that allows you to go live, send and receive gifts from people. Okay, and these gifts can be converted to real money. Okay, so we use in-app coins to do the exchange of these gifts. All right, so if you're just joining us here, is a live streaming app that can help you as a side hustle. You can earn through it as a side hustle or as a part-time income earning, whatever you call it. Okay, so it's okay, very good for people who are looking for side hustle. All right, so now we are going to set it up using our phone. So we are going to record it immediately. All right, so the first thing you have to do, as I told you before, is either you download it from the Play Store or you get it from a link sent to you by a CrushLive user. Now it's already downloaded in my phone. I'll just go ahead and tap on CrushLive. Okay, so allow it to load. I already have an account and I wouldn't want to join an account with it. Now continue with Google. You just tap on continue with Google. Then choose an account. You choose your email address or any other accounts you have there. You can choose it. Okay. You allow it to load. Now allow Google to sign you up or sign you in. Yes, agree and continue. So you allow it to load. Okay, now this place you change your nickname. Your nickname can be different from what is here. You put your date of birth and press OK. Then this place, very important, you have to choose female. Okay, you have to choose female. Now at the end of the day, you type on next. So once you type on next, even if you don't put your picture there, it will allow you in, unlike Life, which will not allow you in. Then allow CrushLive send notification, you can allow. If you don't want, you leave it. Okay, so you already have a gift for you. You can collect it now, you can leave it, whichever way you want. So the first thing you have to do is to come here at the end, which is me, bind your inviter. If you're invited by a friend, fill in the person's whatever, you put it there. Now if you're not invited, just go ahead and enter. We're already in our home page. Why I came here straight at me is your profile. First thing, you can change that picture. Then tap on this icon here and put any of your pictures. You can, from my album, take photo or cancel. But you don't cancel, you put your picture. Then when you have your time, you can now go through the remaining pictures here and add them. Then basic information, you have your ID, nickname, gender, birthday, height, weight, income. You can fill them up by yourself. Okay, then once you are done, you tap on this icon and go back. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your real person detection. This real person detection, you have to upload your own photo. When you tap on that cross, you select from the album or take a photo. Once you are done with that, you tap on start real person detection, tap on this go. Okay, when you tap on the go, it will now show it on your face. Please look directly into the camera and choose and follow the instruction they are giving you. They are going to give you instructions. Sometimes look left gradually, look right gradually, open your mouth. Do you understand? So they can give you any kind of instruction. When you obey it, it will just capture immediately. But once you do it, sometimes they may tell you a review failed. Once they say review failed and write contact customer care, you immediately contact customer care. Just type your ID and say, I have tried this for a long time and is not going through, please assist. Do you understand? The person will just assist you. The customer care will just assist you. Before you know it, your account has been uploaded. Okay, so your picture has been accepted. Okay, so you come out here. Once you are done, the next thing you have to do is to tap on join an agency. You have to join an agency. If you enter through my link, you will be in my agency immediately. On Popo Life, you don't need to join an agency for you to start doing your task, but here your task will only be open for you if you join an agency. Okay, so you must join an agency before your app will be opened, before you can start doing your task. So you have to join. It will be easier if you just get from my agency link and just join. You don't need any. Immediately you start earning your 3,000 on daily basis. Okay, so and please do your exchange. Please go through my videos. If you're new here, you're welcome. On this channel we talk about live streaming opportunities, Christian and inspirational content. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Okay, like the video and turn on the notification bell so that you will see more of our uploads. Okay, so here we are talking about live streaming opportunity right now, which is centered on CrushLive. Okay, so that's where we are going to end for today. On my videos, I've already told you, giving you step by step on how to do your exchange, how to receive the 3K and the remaining ones. Okay, so that's why I just had to start afresh so that you'll be able to know in case you want to invite someone or you are being invited, you know how to join. So later on, I'm going to teach us how we can invite someone to join us and so many things. Okay, so that'll be all for now. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. See you again in our next video. Bye for now.